Namaste, Suprabhatam. My name is Sursha. I am singing LKG section. My school name is Nanodaya School. Today I tell about Shloka. Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha Adavijnanam Om Partaya Pratibodhita Bhagavata Nayanena Swayam Yatena Pratitam Puranamulina Madhe Bhavaratam Advaitamrutavashini Bhagavati Ashtadashadyayini Ambatmavanusandadami Bhagavati Bhagateshini Namostute Yata Visharabhutte Pullaranindayata Patranetra Ena Svaya Bharatadehita Punaha Vekshvalito Nayamaya Pratipa Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Vitam Bradadudena Sarvopanishado Pavo Gopa Gopalanandana Partho Vatsatsadivota Vuttam Gitamutam Mata Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsajanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagatgurum Shri Krishna. Thank you.